Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set eraser tape only function on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here click to the second button, the settings. Go to the second section, the function settings, and here you can find the erase tape only under the erase highlighter only option. The eraser erases only the tape. And if you want to turn on this function, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.